Uh, we voted for yes because ako sawang-sawa na rin na the committees in the Senate are used for political means, for attacks on different political, with people with political agenda. I would rather see a working Senate. I would rather see a working committee, a chairperson that is a bit more fair in handling the committee. Kaya ganyan ang naging desisyon namin. It's nothing personal to Senator Laila, but we feel that Senator Laila has already been, well, her judgment has already been anti-administration, so it's very, very difficult. We'd rather see a chairperson that is a bit more fair on both sides.
Sir, hindi ba to na politika na siyempre alay kayo ni President Duterte?
But we
Kinausap ba kayo?
Pero wala kumausap sa amin sa Malacanang. I can tell you that with a straight face. Nobody from Malacanang talked to us.
Ano lang, di ba? Yung feeling, unang-una, si Senator Alan Cayetano, parang siya na yung nagsasabi na yung mga maling, yung mga ginawa nila doon sa hearing na pinamunuan niya, mali. Kasi di ba yun yung mga sinasite niya ngayon na violation dun sa hearing na ginawa ni Senator De Lima. So parang may vindication na talagang yung hearing noon was just used for political reasons and not really to search for the truth.
I really didn't, honestly, I didn't want to get it up to this point, no? But sometimes you have to think of the bigger picture. And I think it's the whole country that is being dragged down already. No? In the pursuit of some camps to discredit, to destroy the president's credibility. Wittingly or unwittingly, they do not know that it's the whole country suffering. Let's give the president a chance. He was elected by and given the mandate by the Filipino people, and it's just 3 months.
Kasi hindi na nasusunod yung rules ng Senate, no? As a committee member, as committee chair, dapat sundin natin yung rules ng Senate. So, unang-una, maraming mga violation na ginawa at alam naman natin lahat na yung committee hindi mo pwedeng gamitin to use it for your pang sarili mo lamang, di ba? Kailangan maging parehas ka, maging patas ka sa lahat.
Ano yung mga nilabag niya, Senator?
Hindi na siguro natin isa-isa, napakarami, no? Napakarami siguro ang nilabag niya. Kung alam natin yung rules ng Senate at saka being chairperson ng isang committee, kailangan magpare-parehas ka. Hindi mo ipakita yung pagiging bias mo. No?
Pero sir, yung pagpapalit niyo sa kanya, it doesn't pinagusto niyong matigil ang investigasyon sa
Hindi naman din siya
extrajudicial?
inalis siya. Diba, member pa rin naman siya eh. Hindi natin ano yan. Kumbaga,
it's better that we have a more objective chairman kasi I'm worried about the committee report how the committee report, how it will be written, ano presentation, dapat walang slant, walang bias from the very start. So you just base your report on what came out during the hearing, ano yung mga upon the cross-examination of your witness, sino yung kapanipaniwala, sino yung hindi. So this is all for the good of the Senate and then all for the good of the country if it's good for the Senate.
You feel about
Certainly I'm not happy, but that's the rule in the Senate. You know, this is the first time that this happened. This is but we abide by the majority ruling in the Senate.
Sir, na politika po ba?
I don't want to attribute motives to my colleagues.
Pero sir, before today, nalaman niyo na yung plano ng Senado na...
Kanina lang, just this afternoon during the session.